Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to create a Zano Alias. Zano is a privacy-centric cryptocurrency that allows you to create user-friendly addresses linked to your payment address. This makes it easier to send and receive payments without dealing with a long, complicated address. It's super simple. First, you have to set up your Zano wallet, which I've already done here, and you have to have some Zano. You can get it at any major exchange. Mexi.com is the easiest one I'm aware of. Once you have that in your wallet there, you'll see a button right here that says Create Alias. And in fact, if you look here, if you want to receive payment, this is what a current address looks like. Really long. ZXD, blah, 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 blah. How are you have to copy and paste that or send that. It's a lot of work. But to fix that, you tap this Create Alias button you see right there under the price. So I'll tap Create Alias, and the alias is super simple. So in this case, I'm going to call this one Zanolist, but we'll call it Zanolist, right? And you can have a comment if you want. The fee to make an alias apparently is 0.11 Zano, which is like 25 cents or something like that. So super simple. I'll hit Create Alias, and then it's boom, done. And then you wait for a block. And so now, if I want to tell anybody to send me money in the future after one block, I'll just tell them send money to me at Zanolist instead of this big giant long address. I won't have to use this anymore. I just tell them send money to at Zanolist, and we now have a at Zanolist cryptocurrency wallet. And there you go. I waited just a moment. You can see my account balance is about 20 cents less, but I now have at Zanolist as my ID. If I want, all I have to do is copy that to my clipboard and I can send that to anybody. So at Zanolist is my new address. And to show you guys how easy this is too, if you make your own Zano alias and post it in the comments below this video on YouTube, I will send you one whole Zano for free for the first 10 people to post Zano alias. There you go. Give it a try today. Zano is the future of cryptocurrency payments because it's fast, private, super secure, works globally anywhere by default from the same development team that created the first version of what went on to become Monero as well.